Ahmad in Dubai. He's chief analyst at forex broker GTC. It's good to have you with us, Jameel. Firstly, China's manufacturing activity returned to growth last month. What's led to this turnaround?
To be honest, we don't really know too much about it, but we would say that it's positive news. And it could be a couple of different factors, namely that the overseas customers might be looking more at Chinese products because of the tariff uncertainty that's been happening with the United States for a period of around 6 months. Also, the other factor is that although these tariffs uncertainty have been in place, there hasn't really been a line in the sand until earlier this month as to where the tariffs stand. So it's possible as well that other companies and businesses are continuing to load up on Chinese products in light of this. And the other factor is that we keep talking about trade uncertainty and what's happening with global tariffs. It seems to be that so far in 2025, the Chinese economy has been, I would say, somewhat resilient in light of the ongoing tariff aggression. That might also be helped by the fact that the US administration are placing tariffs on numerous partners globally, and it's not just being directed at China, whereas if you compare this to the 2007 tit-for-tat trade war, that was very much particularly focused on the United States and China, but we seem to be focusing far more on global trade tensions in the meantime. And I think that's just a couple of different factors which might be why the Chinese economy is, I would say, performing resiliently, not completely impressive, but it seems to be bucking the trend of those who thought it would show ongoing weakness throughout 2025.
Right, and as we see factory activity grow in China, elsewhere in Japan and South Korea, we're seeing a contraction. Is that due to Trump's tariffs?
I think so, because you're looking at the US administration are fighting battles on multiple fronts now when it comes to tariffs. And those tariffs have brought so much uncertainty to the world economy throughout the past 6 to 7 months. I think if you're looking deeper into the data of those trading partners that the United States has definitely targeted in 2025, then we're looking at the likes of Japan and South Korea as manufacturing hubs. And I do think that reads into the data missteps that you're seeing now.
Now, lifting Chinese markets is Alibaba, of course, with its better than expected earnings. What does this signify about China's AI landscape?
We've known for some time that China will be competing with the United States. We've always spoken about the United States and NVIDIA, which of course has become one of the world's largest, most valuable companies within a short period of time. But we're also watching China and how it's going to continue to develop in the AI sector and continue to diversify its economy. And if you're looking at those Alibaba earnings as well as what else is coming out of the AI landscape in China, then certainly it's going to start competing with the tech giants in the United States sooner rather than later.
Right, and we'll have to leave it there for now. Jameel Ahmad, chief analyst at GTC, thank you very much for joining us.